This baked chicken turns out so juicy you won't believe how it looks inside. Check this out. Hi, I'm Palayo. This is Saladolandia, and you're going to be amazed. You've never had such juicy chicken, and it's super easy to make. Just 5 minutes of work. Of course, after baking, you'll be licking your fingers. The first step, as usual, is to grab the chicken pieces you prefer. Look, I'm going to do it with 2 chicken leg quarters. Add salt and also black pepper. If it's freshly ground, even better. Oregano is best. It goes fantastic with it. Some people use rosemary instead of oregano. Well, both work well. Pepper, as I said, and a drizzle of oil. Higher quality oil gives better results. A splash of lemon juice, which will add a fresh touch. A little bit of garlic powder to give it some punch. And paprika, which can be sweet, spicy, or a mix. We're going to massage all of this in. Press the meat a little so it gets massaged and becomes more tender. With this, we'd have a classic chicken that's already delicious. If someone asked you if that's enough, if the chicken would be good with just that, the answer is yes. But now comes the good part. And here's the trick that changes everything. We're going to make a sauce using yogurt. So put some yogurt in a bowl as the base. We're going to add a splash of mustard and a splash of lemon juice. And we're going to give it flavor again. Boost it with a generous amount of garlic powder. Add a good splash of tasty oil and paprika just like before. Do you want it sweet, spicy, or both? A little bit of turmeric. You'll see the kick it gives, and a touch of honey, just like you heard. That sweet touch melts away thanks to the salt we're adding now. But it makes everything taste great and gives it an amazing texture. We mix all of this really well with a fork in just a minute and pay attention to the next step. We place it on the tray where we want to cook the chicken. Start with the bottom side up, so the side you want hidden faces up. Why? To spread that side really well with a bit of the cream we had. Just like that. Now we proceed to flip it over and leave the side we want to be visible facing up. And we're going to spread the rest of the cream gently at first to cover it completely, and whatever is left in the bowl, we use it up. Thanks to this, we're going to give it a juicy touch, an internal moisture that will make the chicken turn out amazing, just like you could cook it. But I recommend covering it with plastic wrap and letting it rest in the fridge for at least half an hour. But if you have time and want to prepare it in advance, you can do it from one day to the next. 8 to 12 hours in the fridge is ideal, so it turns out amazing. Once it's time, just take it out. And then it's time to bake, but make sure to remove the plastic. Preheat the oven to 200 and 395 degrees with top and bottom heat for 45 minutes. If you want it extra golden, you can set it to 220 for the last 5 or 10 minutes. Look at this amazing dish we've made. 2 chicken leg quarters in no time, easy, delicious, and you can repeat the recipe for as many servings as you want. Look at that golden color, it's wonderful. I'm going to take a piece, and just by running the knife through it, it falls apart on its own. And this is the breast, the driest part, dry. But look, there's nothing left. Look how juicy it is, it's wonderful. Enjoy your meal. I love chicken, I love this recipe. It gives it a special touch and, well, it's great. If you like recipes with things, you'll never have problems again. This one turns out spectacular. And since I know you like delicious things, let me show you this other video I made on YouTube, which you're going to love, okay?